Do you have single glazed windows and want to save on your energy bills? Then plexiglass secondary glazing is the ideal solution. In this video, we show you how to tackle the fixed installation of secondary glazing. We recommend this method if installing with glazing clips is not possible. You will need the following items to do the job. Secondary glazing, screws with nylon washers, insulation tape, duct tape, 3mm diameter wood drill bit, screwdriver and Torx bit, pencil, ruler or tape measure, anti-static cloth and anti-static cleaner, long wooden slat and G-clamps. Do you need help determining the correct dimensions of the required secondary glazing? Then click on the link to the measuring instructions in the description. Once you have assembled everything you need, the installation can begin. We assume you have ordered a plexiglass sheet 4mm thick with pre-drilled holes. You can also drill the holes yourself. The holes should be 5mm in diameter and should be 1.2 centimeters from the edge and 5 centimeters from the corners. Place the remaining holes at a distance of 30 to 40 centimeters. For more tips, watch our video on plexiglass drilling. Take the secondary glazing and remove the protective film on one side. Then clean the edges of the sheet with an anti-static cloth and anti-static cleaner. The insulation tape is applied to these edges. Lay a slat of wood along the edge and clamp it with, for example, a G-clamp. This will make sticking a lot easier. Note, the insulation tape sticks instantly, making it difficult to remove and re-stick. After cutting the tape off, press it down firmly. Make sure that the insulation tape in the corners fits tightly together so that no drafts can get through. Could your frame get damp on the inside? Then consider creating ventilation. You do that by leaving out 2 centimeters at the bottom left and right. To mount the secondary glazing on the frame, mark off the correct positions. Draw a line at the top on the left and right, 2 centimeters from the edge. Do the same on the left and right sides. Apply duct tape to the top of the secondary glazing to temporarily fix the secondary glazing. Then place the secondary glazing on the marked position on the frame. Now apply a piece of duct tape at the bottom as well to fix the window securely. Before fixing the secondary glazing with screws, we pre-drill the holes with a 3mm drill bit. It is important to pre-drill with the drill bit in the center of the hole. Once you have determined the positions for screwing, remove the secondary glazing. Now drill to 4 centimeters deep. Once the holes are drilled, you can clean the secondary glazing with anti-static cloth and cleaner. Then place it back with the tape to fix it. Now take the screws and apply the washers. When you have the screws ready, remove the protective film at the positions where the secondary glazing is fixed with screws. Now you can start fixing the secondary glazing with screws. You do this with a cordless drill, set to low speed. You will need a Torx bit for screwing. Screw in the screws gently to avoid tension on the window. Now you can remove the protective film from the other side of the sheet, and you can clean the secondary glazing well with an anti-static cloth and anti-static cleaner. Now you can enjoy the stunning end result. In the description, you will find a link to our handy step-by-step guide, the measuring instructions and all the necessary products.